Okay, so we've been away for 2 weeks. My stepdaughter Emma's been over, been down to London, just come back up today. Thought we'd come down and look at the allotment, see how it's doing, only to find this. So just slightly overgrown at the top here. All the grass has grown back again that I've strewed, but not a problem because I'm going to be using that for some of the compost. So it's just a case of trimming that down again. Bit of overgrown here as I was expecting. One of the gooseberry bushes, sorry, the birds have already been pecking at the gooseberries. We've got a blackberry bush there. Got some fruit just starting to form. Another bush over there, some more berries forming on there. Got the 2 Morello cherry trees here with loads of berries, green at the moment, just starting to turn pink. I need to get some netting on these pronto to stop the birds from scoffing all the berries again like they did last year. Need to get some netting on there quite quick. And then we've got the apple trees and the pear trees, all nicely sprouting. And down here, yes, we've got loads of weeds appeared again, but at least the cabbages are surviving and they're getting nice and big now. Still count 27. 6 Brussels sprout plants over here. I could have sworn I planted 7, but hey ho. And then that bed, there are potatoes growing in there somewhere, but I can only see probably about 5 or 6 plants growing so far. If I remember right, I've got a row of 10 Charlottes and 11 Picassos on that slightly lumpy bit there. And down here in the flower bed, we've got the Cosmos coming back through again. That's this feathery-like plant. We've got a globe artichoke growing there, which is doing better this year because it's not been smothered by the Cosmos like it was last year. This plant here with these big leaves, I still can't remember the name of the plant, but it's the one that looks like a blue teasel. It's the one that my wife Cindy likes. We've got the snake's head fritillaria here. Hopefully that hasn't died. Well, the stems are looking a bit brown, but I've just given it another watering. And those pods are looking ready to pop. Over this side, similar to the last one, yes, there's a few weeds in there as well, but we've got another globe artichoke in there somewhere. Can't see it yet though. And there's one over here, although can't see that one yet. So yeah, got a little bit of work to do to catch up, but got all year to get it sorted. So there you go. So a lot more life in the plot now. Shame most of it's just weeds. Oh, and in the raised bed, before I forget, that is a potato. I thought I had a row of potatoes here, so we've got a potato there, smaller one there. I believe we've got a couple in here. Carrots, which I didn't think had worked. There's a few still coming up. And carrots over there as well. And I've got my 4 broad beans. I could have sworn I planted some cabbage in this bit down here. It looks like there's one there and another one there, but not a lot else in that middle bit. But can't complain, most of it's doing all right. In the greenhouse, we've got this super steak tomato growing. We cheated with that one. We bought that from a nearby garden centre. We've got the Swiss chard, which definitely really is putting out in the ground. Over the back here, I planted some lavender seeds just to see if that would work, and we have actually got a few shoots coming up, so I'm going to leave them to carry on growing. In here, we've got a single giant cucumber. We've got 2 giant cabbages, they're now coming out. And I believe we've got 4 Atlantic giant pumpkins here, although there's only 2 that seem to have sprouted. So I'm not quite sure what's happening in the other 2, but at least we've got 2 that have worked. I've got some more lavender underneath these lids on there as well. So that's progress so far.